Human body is a treasure. Let's find it out. Hello my dear kids, how are you all? Let's start with the GK question. This is human body part 10. This is your own channel GK Science Center, right? I'm live here in front of you. I'm going to take a test of yours today. So be ready. Question number 1 is, what is a lower limb? क्या होता है lower limb? Can anybody tell me? You have 4 options. Bones of the hand, femur, human leg और knee joint. Tell me, क्या आंसर है आपका? Let me tell you. The correct answer is human leg, right? Human leg from the hip to the foot is called as a upper limb. Hip से start होके foot तक का जो part होता है, you can check out in the figure, like it's right below the pelvis region, right? And its other name is extremity. Now the question number 2 is, what is a kneecap? It's femur, tibia, patella, ankle. These are the 4 options you have. Tell me. Correct answer is patella. Kneecap is also called as patella. This bone is a triangular shaped. The front part is very rough. Cartilage present on the back side of the kneecap provides a support to the kneecap and the femur. You can check out the figure. It's pelvis, then it's a femur, that is a kneecap. Below that, tibia and fibula, these are the bones, and then after it's ankle, right? Next question is, which bone is there in the lower leg, sorry? It's tibia, fibula, both or femur. जो बोन के कौन सी बोन है जो लोअर लेग के पास होती है? विच बोन इज देयर इन लोअर लेग में 2 बोन्स होती है, वो कौन सी होती है? करेक्ट आंसर इज बोथ. इट्स टिबिया एंड फिब्यूला, राइट? टिबिया फॉर्म्स द मेन स्केलेटन of the lower leg and fibula supports the muscles that balances the lower leg. Tibia जो है ना वो bear करती है हमारी बॉडी का maximum weight is bear by tibia. Next question is, foot bones are arranged into how many parts? 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts, 5 parts. Tell me, कितने parts हैं? It's 3 parts, my dear students. Foot bones are arranged into 3 parts, A, B, C. This is tarsal bones, metatarsal bones and phalanges. You can check out the figure. It's your ankle part and this one is your tarsal bone, metatarsal bones and phalanges, right? Next question is, one second. Which is not the type of joint in human body? इनमें से कौन सा जॉइंट नहीं है ह्यूमन बॉडी का? फाइब्रस, कार्टिलेजिनियस, साइनोवियल और फिब्यूला? करेक्ट आंसर इज फिब्यूला. चेक आउट, दिस इज द जॉइंट and this red color is the ligament part. Now a joint is a place where 2 bones meet and joint allow us to twist and turn and move the rigid skeleton. हमारी बॉडी इज मेड अप ऑफ, दैट इज अ skeleton structure, right? एक हड्डी है, उसको आप कैसे मोड़ोगे? ये जो बीच में जॉइंट्स होते हैं, एल्बो जॉइंट्स या ये हमारे नी जॉइंट्स होते हैं, इनमें एक लिगामेंट काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग होती है, इसमें फिब्यूला होता है, राइट? जिससे हम अपनी बॉडी को ऐसे मोड़ सकते हैं, लाइक दिस वन, हम मोड़ सकते हैं इसको, राइट? नाउ नेक्स्ट इज, बोन्स आर हेल्ड टुगेदर विद द हेल्प ऑफ लिगामेंट, फिब्रस, फिब्यूला, synovial. Correct answer is ligament. A ligament is the tough band of fibrous connective tissues which connect one bone to the other bone. Next question is, what is a tendon, my dear students? Tendon क्या होता है बताइए? Okay, you have 4 options. Tendon is a soft fibrous connective tissue, hard bones, gliding joint और ligament. क्या होता है ये? What is that actually? Tendon makes a link between the muscle and other parts of the body, especially the bones. Check out the figure. It's your muscle part and then after it's your tendon right behind your ankle. Tendon is what? It's a soft फाइब्रस कनेक्टिव टिश्यूज, जिससे आप अपने पैर को मोड़ सकते हो, राइट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज अ कोलेजिनियस फाइबर? इज इट अ कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, इज इट अ बोन, अ जॉइंट और अ फाइब्रोक्राइट्स? Correct answer is a connective tissue. Important to know about this is collagenous fiber is a protein, right? Collagen fiber are hard and tough and can be bent, but these fibers hardly stretch. Next question is what is the name of bones in forearm? हमारी forearm जो होती है उसकी bones के names बताइए। रेडियो उल्ना, ग्लीनॉइड कैविटी, ह्यूमरस, phalange. Check out the figure. It's radio ulna, students. Correct answer is radio ulna. This is a forearm, right? आपका हैंड से लेके और ये जो पार्ट होता है एल्बो तक का, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ forearm. This part is called as a forearm. There are two bones, radius and ulna. Next question is, oh, the questions are over here. Now, thanks for watching the video.